How's it going, YouTubers? Nightimus here. I'm back with another food review. Today I am at In-N-Out. And today I just ordered a protein style 4x4. See, In-N-Out. Now I'm outside because they're playing music inside and I can't really have that. If you hear any background noise, there's families around. So let's get started. So here we have the 4x4 protein style with I went with extra grilled onions and with no tomato, and that came to $9.50. Now 4x4s are not something I normally order. I go for double doubles, but because this is my first time doing a YouTube video in In-N-Out, might as well. I also got some peppers, those are free. So I went with protein style, so it's just lettuce wraps, and that's how I like it. And yeah, there's the extra grilled onions. Oh, I see. Okay, so I got some grilled onions. I don't know if you can see that. Grilled onions, along with some, so 4 patties and I think 4 slices of cheese. I don't care, but I do it with a pepper. But in fact, screw that. I do a second pepper. Ooh. Sorry you had to see that, but I don't really want to eat that stem. But here's some of that juice. Cheers. My first In-N-Out video here on YouTube. Food review at In-N-Out. Oh. Oh. Those peppers are kicking it. But the patties are nice and juicy. And with those cheeses, nice and cheesy, of course. So again, let me try to be as honest, because this is my first In-N-Out video. So the patties are, of course, nice and juicy. Perfectly cooked. Lettuce wrap. So again, there's families around here, so if I'm not loud enough, I do want to apologize, but there are families, there are kids around. I'm not going to rotate it because I don't want to be suspicious. But the patties are nicely cooked to perfection. And if you live in California, you might be familiar with In-N-Out. We have them here in Arizona too. And In-N-Out is like the most famous restaurant in LA. And apparently here in Arizona too. I'm at the Queen Creek location, but if you live in Santan Valley, which I'm sure some of you may have seen me out there, we are actually gonna get a In-N-Out in Queen Creek eventually. It's not being built yet, but it is gonna happen soon. But anyway, so like I said, the patties are nice and cooked to perfection. And with that, and with these peppers, and with the juice. Where a lot of people do this, mostly for the juice. So I do that and put in the pepper as well. This is for that extra kick. And it is messy. If you hear the speaker, that they're calling out their numbers. It's pretty busy in here. It's pretty busy out here right now. So expect some loud noises, y'all. Again, green pepper. I didn't mean to call it a green pepper. It's clearly not green. Sorry. I just haven't been to In-N-Out in a while, that's all. But In-N-Out does a really good job. These are like some... Now, I think these are actually called banana peppers, but I could be wrong, because like I said, I haven't been here in a while. But these give it a nice kick. And that's why a lot of people do it, because they want that kick to it. And some people mostly just go for the juice because it gives it that flavor. But I'm doing both. The lettuce makes it taste delicious, of course. Adds a little bit of nutrition, of course. But even though there's a lot of meat, so not much, honestly. Apparently it's messy. In-N-Out has really messy burgers, y'all, and greasy too, which is why a lot of people like these, especially in LA. But I know In-N-Out was first founded over in California. Now onto the animal fries. Now I got some animal fries too. The animal fries, I got them well done. Those came to $4.65 and a drink as well. So basically got a combo with tax. It came to $17.91. So that's my total. So the 4x4 protein side was $9.50. The animal fries were $4.65. And with the drink being $2.35, I believe they charge us separately. Or it just comes out like that. But it all came to $16.50 plus tax being an extra $1.41. So it came to $17.91 for me. Now on to the animal fries. Now I went with well done, of course. So they are a little hard. I kind of like crunchy fries. So it's got some grilled onions, some spread, and some cheese. And that's what I really like about In-N-Out, their fries. If you've been following me for a while, you'll know I work at McDonald's, but honestly, these you can't beat. Sorry, McDonald's. Sorry, Delilah. For my boss, Delilah. Because I know she's going to be watching this. Sorry, boss. I don't like to film other people. So I like to put in a little more extra spread. Because I don't really put in as much, if I'm being honest. Oh, yeah.
65, 66, 62, 70. Yeah, 62, 65, 66, 70.
No, you stay. Wait.
No, these are of course very crunchy because I did tell them well done. Now, as far as I saw on the receipt, I don't think they're going to charge you for well done fries. And for protein style burgers, I don't think they'll charge you for that either. But regardless, pretty good. The fries are like kind of crunchy on the inside because it's well done. And that's how I like it, to be honest. But I tried get some of that spread, some of that cheese, and some of those grilled onions with those nice crunchy fries. It's kind of hardening up already, like a brick. Now those onions definitely help out. So of course, because it's animal style, it's gonna get very messy. Even if they don't put it in as much spread, it still gets pretty messy. Apparently they don't put in enough. Forgot what I had. More peppers. onto those fries. Now the spread in general, is obviously much different than the Big Mac sauce at McDonald's, but these, fortunately for me, these aren't that sweet, but these are really good. Let me see if I can get some of the spread so I can try to describe to you what it tastes like, taste-wise. Good bit of a tangy taste, but not that sweet nonetheless, but it's good. But those fries, nice and crunchy and well done.
79 and 81, please. Yeah, 79 and 81.
The fries are really good, you guys. Whether you get them well done or just regular In-N-Out fries, you can't beat them. Really good.
Yes. 78 and 81, please. Yes, 78 and 81.
The inside's nice and soft. Still. But it doesn't like pour out, obviously. Since they are freshly made, these are pretty good. Unlike McDonald's fries, since like I said, I work there. McDonald's fries just comes frozen, and once you order, just put them in the fryer. They come already cut. You throw them in the fryer, and then that's pretty much it, y'all. Unlike here, where they actually they get some potatoes and then they press it down, and into the fryer they go. So it does taste really good. And just for anybody curious, this is actually pink lemonade. Now I picked the regular, but they also have a sweet pink lemonade, which like has no sugar at all, which is good. But this, fortunately for me, it's not really crazy sweet, which I know some lemonades can be. But fortunately for me, this is how I like it. Alright, y'all, that's gonna be my video today. That was my thoughts on the protein style 4x4, the animal style fries, well done, from In-N-Out Burger. And since this was my very first, speaker, and because it was my very first In-N-Out video, I do want to tell you guys, hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll be back with another video ASAP. But for now, this is Nightimus saying thank you for watching, and I hope you all have a good Christmas and a Happy New Year if you don't hear from me by then. But until then, till my next video, take care, y'all. Till all are one. This is Nightimus, rolling out.